Happy, happy Monday night. The first time, baby, baby, baby. Shout out sa lahat. Kung alam mo lang na mahal pa kita. Hello my wife, hi my husband. How are you? My love. Hello Insan, hi! Kumusta? Disgusting master rank. Hey beautiful natural lips. Thank you disgusting master rank. Hi Insan, kumusta na? Nangyari? Naka-duty? May pasok ka ngayon? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Baby, baby, baby. Baby, baby. Natural. What? Hello Insan, I'm good off for today. Yay! Makapagpahinga din. Malapit na ako pumunta dyan. See you soon. Hi, Char. Hi. Hello, team from Char. Hello. Ferdy Crows. Hello. Hi, Ferdy. I'm excited, Insan. Yahoo! Yahoo! Excited na. Salamat sa 5 people and the 2 thumbs up. Thank you for the 7. Thank you for watching guys, visiting. Diko, pituwalang cinta. Na? No? Walang Monday ba? Babe. Diko, pintualang cinta. What do you mean? Thank you, 8 people. Thank you so much. Disgusting English or yeah. Thank you 18 people joining. Salamat. Thank you so much. Shout out to my team. I love you from Philippines. I love you. Your channel fun. Thank you, disgusting Master Rank. Thank you. Elsie Ball, hello, good morning, maganda ka. Thank you, Elsie Ball. Thank you, 17. Thank you so much. Manuel, mi amor. Mi amor, what means Manuel? Mi amor is son henue, dois, mitino beho. Kailan dating mo Insan at ako'y excited na sobra? Pag natapos na yung ay mag-English ka, magagalit yung isa. Pag natapos yung mga kailanganin importanteng papeles, ganyan. Amore is love. Okay. I don't know. Amore, your love is like the sun. It's like up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows into my veins. Inside. Amore. Thank you for the 3 thumbs up. Thank you guys. Amore. Thank you. Excited to see both. Let's do karaoke. Yes. Sayaw to the max. Karaoke. Banding. Chikahan to the max. Ihahatid natin ang tagapagbalita mula sa kaganapan dito. Excited. Mommy, hi. Mommy. Tweety, say. Thank you for the thumbs up. Good evening, Mommy. Good evening. It's gonna be a while still, Char. It's gonna be a while. Mommy, how are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. I see. Hopefully next year. Yes, next year. Okay, next year. Disgusting master rank. I like your smile, sweet like cheesecake. Cheesecake? That's what I'm counting also. Yes. Still counting. Naguli na si tito mo? Naguli na? Mommy, I am your son. Oh my god. Where are you from? Tweety Sai. Oh my god. What are you doing, Mom? Obviously, I'm going live. I am act normal. Oh, are you from India? Where's your mom? Soup, soup from Sydney, Australia. Hi, P Monies. Hi, P Monies. Shout out P Monies from Sydney, Australia. Indian guys are weird. My mommy smiles so sweet. Yang Tongzi. I only like to pay attention to beautiful sisters. Hello, Yang Tongzi. Zu. I'm normal or you do? You choose, M. You have to, Thank you for the thumbs up. Appreciate it. Thank you. Happy. Cha-na-na-na. It's so nice to be happy. Everybody should be happy. Hello, I'm from China. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Yang Tongzu. Thank you. Thank you for joining my live. Thank you so much. India people can get stupid. You need to ignore that, ano. If you have a chance, you are welcome to visit China. Thank you, Yang Tongzu. Thank you for inviting me China, but no time. No time, too much busy. Yeah. Mitchell Tan, bonjour, comment tu vas? Moi, je vais bien. Je suis française en Britain. Hi, Mitchell Tan. How are you? Bonjour. Comment ça va? Can he come with her young? Can he come? Cheryl, hello. Hi, Christine Doe. Thank you. Thank you, Christine. Thank you so much. Hello from Bicol. Robert Cheryl from Robert Cheryl. Hello, Cheryl. How is your night going? I'm going night. Good night. Beautiful night. Good night. My night is good night. Thank you for the thumbs up, Mom Christine Dow. Thank you, Robert. Yang Tongzu. China is a very peaceful country. When you come to China, you can walk on the street at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, so there is absolutely no need to worry about safety. That's good. Nice to hear that, Yang Tongzu. Maybe visit vacation. I'm ready. Merci beaucoup to it was gentle. Merci beaucoup, Mitchell Tam. Wow, you're so sweet. I love your love, so I like and subscribe to your channel. Thank you, Robert. Where are you from, Robert? Thank you so much. I am loving official. Hola, soy Alianis. Hi. Hola, soy Alianis. Young, she won't be there. Thank you, guys. Robert, I'm from USA, Cheryl. Where are you in USA? Boston, Massachusetts. Okay. Boston, Massachusetts. Boston. Boston. I don't know where Boston. Thank you. Thank you so much. Tawang sabi na mahal kita. Iyak ang puso ko. Laking nangyarap na kung kapiling mo. Bakit nga kaya ako sa'yo'y maya? Tatanong sa'yo nagdaan. Kailangan ang puso ko. Tuwid mo ng tingin, iiyak ang puso ko. What part of Philippines you from, Cheryl? I'm from Luzon. I'm Bicol province. I'm from Luzon, Bicol province, Philippines. To Paladin, Pancas, to Felicity. I'm not speak French. I can understand the basic like bonjour, salut, ça va, merci beaucoup, bonne soirée. But I can't speak French. Hi, Rodrigo. Welcome back, Rodrigo. Michael asked you to speak English. Thanks. Welcome back, Cheryl. Hello, friend. Hi. Beautiful voice. Oh, wow. Thank you, Robert. So adorable. Thank you, Michelle. Mel TV Vlog. Hi. How are you, Timon's TV Vlog? Mel TV Vlog. Good evening, Has. Good evening. Aray. Hi, May. Boom Boom Pow Vlog. Boom Boom. Done connected to your channel, Cheryl. Thank you, Ma'am Christine Dow. Thank you so much. Tip tip like easy from Rodrigo. Thank you, Rodrigo, for supporting always. Thank you. My coffee I want. No coffee for now. I'm good. Good evening. Hi, Tim. Good evening. May. Guys, hit the like button to help her channel out. Thank you. No coffee. Hi, Michelle. Hi, Michelle. I told him 5 times. Okay. You, you evil. What? Me? Bom Bom Pao Vlog. Hi. Team, you're so serious. So serious in life. Team, he wants to understand. That's why he time out, Michelle. So me too. I don't understand French. I understand a little, just too few words, but not all. As basic like not not a lot of basic, a few words French. Just relaxing. Yeah, because people don't listen and she don't know the language either. You are very cool girl, my friend. Beautiful. Thank you, Rodrigo. I am relaxed, May. Visit no jerk. Sitimiti. Sitimiti Epicorena. Ona. Bottarella. Veloci. Lo paso. Conti, Timando on like. Thank you! Oh my God. Naintindihan ko yung like. Thank you. Okay, then. Hit like and subscribe, friends. Okay, thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you so much. Thank you. 19 minutes already. Hi, Rodrigo from May. Friends, don't forget like. Thank you. Thank you so much. At ang hirap magtatang. Gas, English, please. Gas? Where's Gas? Na hello, my friend. Good night. Use it. Not use it. Hello, me, my friend. Good night. Thank you for the 12 thumbs up. Thank you, guys. If I do live, my eyes can't cooperate sometimes. Hello, good morning to you, Riga. My eyes again. Getting hurt now. Ah. My eyes. Thank you, May. Welcome to Brazil. Wrong type. I forgot a letter and the same in the name. Okay. Turugin na kay baga nangaturog ka na mao nga ni. Baga malayan man mata ko. Welcome Rodrigo. Malay na.
Parang naman nilawan.
Ah. Thank you for people joining po. Almusal tayo kasi. Thank you. Thank you, Insan. Salamat. Spend maturog na kita. Oo, maturog na. Tataw, maturog na. Yung kain na. Sleepy. Feel sleepy na. Already. Feel sleepy already. 13. Thank you. One day I will go there, okay? Okay. One day, someday. Charot. Hi, Mela. Insan, kumusta? Francha. Hi, nakita-kita din tayo dito. Hi, Insan. Oh, May. Sunod, June. RC Lanosa, Tamsak host. Thank you, RC. Everyone. Hi, thank you so much, RC. Pandara na, niligpit pa. Ay, naku. I am at work. Bye-bye. Good night for your day, beautiful. Thank you, Viga from Brazil. Tika, God bless you. Watching from Qatar po. Hi, RC. Thank you. Watching from Qatar. Ingat ka dyan lagi. Ingat. And God bless. Okay naman. Tuko-tuko pa rin. Grabe sa tuko-tuko. Ang hirap. Guys, sa toko-toko talaga. Dili tortek moro. Matik moro o ano. Ano sabi niyo, host? Pandara ang electric pan. Opo, pandara. Bicol language. Pandara. Ay, from Robert. Okay. I know you miss me. Had to do something important. I know nothing is more important than you. Huh? Saan ka sa Bicol, Manay? Sa Sorsogon. Living in here in Sorsogon province. What do you mean, Robert? EU. Tigs, hi vlog. Welcome to my guys. Hi vlogs. Welcome to my guys. Hello. Feeling man ni Robert. ako sa Pili Kamsor. Okay. Sa Pili Kamsor. Thank you po, Sir Robert, Sir RC, sa pagpunta, sa pag-join po. Salamat. Appreciated. Hey, Tim, did you try cruise? Tim, did you try cruise? Tom Cruise. Na Tim Cruise na. Wala na, ay na. Tigain ng tiyanan naman niya to. Ay na. Hello, May. from Robert. I've never been on one, but we'll take her when she is here. Ah, Dama! Thank you. Thank you for 15 million likes. Hello, Robert from May. Arts English. Ark is working in Qatar. He's now in Qatar team, and he also he lives here in Bicol, but Kamsor province. Bicol province, but Camarines Sur located. Ark. Hi team from RC. RC. RC Cola. From Robert, I will tell you how beautiful you are, but you have a mirror to tell you that every day, but I will still see you're beautiful and so sweet. Thank you, Robert. Sabi ko na, makada yun pag kada mo siya. Mao, makada. Oo, makaranas kita sa mga tom. Honey, so Team Cruise. Team Cruise. It's called Team Cruise. Oh my goodness. I'm na time out. Nasa ninali na. Manay, pwede mo ba ako mabigyan ng moderator para madikitan ko ang iba? Hindi pa ako makabigay ngayon ng ng jacket. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. What is funny me? Please share with the class. Na, nanginisog na. Nag-ano na siya. Meron mo naman yan. Di ako makabigay pa ngayon ng jacket. RC. Na ano nung last month kasi na ban ako. Parang nagkaroon ng kaya matagal ako bago naka-live. No, more than 1 month. Almost 1 month. RC English. Huh? Bakit? I said before, maybe March, I'm not able to live here on YouTube. That's why I need. That's why I can't give a jacket always a moderator. Bakit mo bakit mo may hinaid si Kuan, si Robert? Anyari? Anyari? Hello? Hello, Val. 20. Why? Ano misinformation? Ala, ba't na-hide si Kuan? Si Robert. Yeah. Ambot, di man ako nakabutang di ho. Naano mo siya? Hinaid mo kaya di na siya makapag-comment si Robert. Deleted, Na-hide mo siya. Yes, I would like to take Gab on Disney Plus. Thank you. Thank you, team. Balik mo, pwede yon. Hindi ko siya may babalik. Hindi ko mano, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Nagluluto pan nagluloko nagluloko, hindi nagluluto. Na-hide siya. Na-hide. Na-hide si Robert. Ikaw ang nag-hide, May. Mayla. Nakabutang dili, you hide. May hidden, nakabutang dili, Robert was hidden by me, Borregas. Unhide mo, me. Oo, i-unhide mo siya. Ikaw ang mag-unhide. Maunahin. Hindi ko makita eh. Ikaw ang makaano niyan kasi ikaw nag-hide. Diko-diko, pito alang sinta. Saan ka sa Pinas, te? Sa Bicol po. Sa Bicol po ako. Yes, I would like to thank you, team. Irosin. Unhide mo. Why you not gonna do live in March? Because I'm banned. I mean, not able to do live. View mo yung comments ni. View mo yung comments. Ayan. Hindi naligaw na. Okay naman siya, Robert, wala naman siya, nag-ano kita didi sa, pwede ka didi mag-hide pag medyo bastos, toxic, ng, nangaaway, ng bubuli, ayan, saan, magugulat siya, bakit na-hide ako? Okay na. Thank you. We do Royal Caribbean, the wonder of the sea is really fun. My son love it, and I'm sure Gab will love it. So much activities to do. Pinay Sheryl Hula. Hi, Digby. Good evening, sis. Good evening to everyone. Hi, good evening sa lahat. Kapamilya, kapatid, kapuso. How old is your son? Ilang taon na ba yun? Saan yung anak mo? At yung, Texas or America have Disneyland. Hi, Christy. Hi, Star. She's my sister. Hi, John. Hello. Thank you for joining. At ang hirap, magpapanggap ka ba ako? I wanna me. Mayad na kagabihon. May paksel. May paksel talaga. Grabe naman yung pangalan mo. May paksiw talaga. Paksiw. May nakagabihon man. Hi, how are you? I'm fine. Why did you hire that guy? Was he disrespectful? Why? Sorry. Aray. Oh my God. Sorry, John. What do you mean? To hide? It's accidentally may hide uh, a Robert, but it's okay now. Unhide na already. Calm down. He's nice. It's not intentionally hide, but accidentally. May paksil na lang ligo eh. Ang init-init, di maligo. Ano yun? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the 18 thumbs up. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You the best girl the world. Why? Why you say that? You don't know me. ML. Yeah, John is accidentally. Oh, I didn't want anyone disrespecting. Thank you, John. Yes, thank you. He almost 13 years old team up. Son. Smile, say good again. So I met you. Okay. Good evening, Sir Tim. Hi, Sir Tim. Sir Tim. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day. We'll be together. Can't you see? Can't you see? Kalmado. Tablado. What's up, guys? Salamat sa 10 milyon na nanonood. Sa 18 patusok. Salamat. Merci beaucoup. Hi, Manay from chat. Hello, Christine. Ulit-ulit, no? Hello, beautiful from Eric. I'm from USA and love how Philippines looks. Hi, thank you, John. Where are you living? Where are you in, USA? Where? Daghan pa kaipuhan mo na watch hour para mamonika. Opo, daghanon pa na watch hour. Kailangan ko mamuni. Pero, bago mamuni, kailangan ko munang dumaan. sa ano. Kaya yan. Kaya ko nga noon, makakaya ko rin ngayon. At iingatan ko na. More each day you do. Yes. Kumusta Charity from says from Rinky Nicolas Antiquena. Antiquena. Hi ate, maayong gabi. Diha Ghost Hunters Massage Therapy NC2 Adventure Mix TV Blog Nicolas Rankelio from Rojas Langatian, Zamboanga del Norte, Mindanao. Are you friends with them? You mentioned channel. Your channel mention here is always join my live. Sir, they're always join my live. I mean, ano, see, no? The Ghost Hunters joining me always. Adventure Mixed TV Vlog also. Nicholas Ring. Yes, you are. Why? Why you, your friends? I live in Buffalo, New York. Uh, thank you, John, Sir John, for joining my live here in YouTube. Glad to meet you. Nice to meet you, Sir John. Okay naman, Manay. Same old pa rin. Same old pa rin. Still feel young and beautiful. Stay young and beautiful. Feel young and beautiful, I mean. Alexis Longy. Hello. Hi, Alexis. Welcome in the Philippines, John. Yes. Sige, mag-play ako sa playlist mo bago ako maturog maski paano makadagdag. Salamat, Amay Paksiw. Salamat. Kailangan ko ng watch hour para sa super chats. Sa sa gusto mag-send ng guest. Yes, we need to earn money. I live in Russia, but I was born in France. Oh, wow. Alex is long. You're Russian, but born in France. That song, ingatan ka. Oo. That song, ingatan. Ingatan ka, hindi na pababayaan. Welcome. When I come there, thanks for the welcome me. You're always welcome. Amoy English. Amoy Paksiw, can you speak English? Team wants to understand what you're saying. Yes, John from May. ML, because you are the most beautiful. Most? Nakakahiya naman sa mission ng verse. Thank you. You are very beautiful. How old are you? Said you will not be doing live stream anymore. Why are they stopping you? Stopping me? Yeah, John, I'm 40 years old. I'm doing live here on YouTube always. I need Sir John, reach I need to earn watch hours to get monetization, monetize my channel. You're you're joining me during my live, every live. It helps me a lot, guys. Alexis Longy. By the way, I'm planning to go to the Philippines. Wow, Sir Alexis, thank you for visiting the Philippines. Welcome, Philippines. More fun in the Philippines. Amay Paksiw, Team Hardy Sora next time. Wow. Thanks. I am from Morocco. Shout out to you, ML from Morocco. You look way younger. I'm 46. Look younger. Maybe I'm small. That's why I'm look younger. But I'm 40 years old. 46. You're 46. Thank you, John. Nice to meet you, John. Sir John. She was banned before, not now. So, she will do live. Yes. I will do live now. But before, not possible do live. Um, I can't do live before, but now I can do live anytime, anywhere, any place. Okay, good to hear that, Tim. She is also nice. Thank you, Sir John. Yes, thank you, my love. So I get to see you and feel great vibes, Sir John. I love the province in the Philippines because the people are kind like you. Thank you, Sir Alexis Longy. Thank you, Alexis. Or you are a man or a woman? I don't know. Alexis is also a woman name, but also a man name. Thank you guys for the 10 people here and 19 thumbs up. Thank you. I'm a teenager. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. All of the Philippines. Um, why buy? I buy Alexis. No, maybe Alexis is legal age. 18 is a legal age. From John. You have a children. Sorry, just trying to get to know you. I'm not nosy. Yes, it's okay. I have one kid, one son. I have one son. Only one. It's okay, John. I know. What's your zodiac sign? My zodiac sign is Aquarius. How old are you from Boba Badin? I'm 40 years old. Lindolfo, do Brazil, oi. Do Brazil, oi. Hi, Lindolfo from Brazil. Could be 13. Could be 13. My real name, by the way, is Prince. Hi, Prince. The host. And I speak the same language, so please forgive me. Please forgive me. I am just 10. Oh my god, you're too young, Alexis. You're too young, Prince. Oh my god. Okay, I will ask more questions tomorrow. Okay, I guess I am nosy. Oh no, it's John. It's okay, John. Just asking. Yeah, I understand what I understand that, but we ask all to all speak English. English. That's not a teenage boy. Okay, okay. My eye bugs. Was you married before? I'm not been married. I never been married. But soon, I'm getting married soon. Or child. Was you married before? I never been married or child. Oh, John? John. Congratulations, you hope you have a prince called you are a princess. Thank you, John. Thank you, Sir John. She does, John. Yes. Thank you, John. Thank you, Sir John. Thank you for the 19 thumbs up, everyone, and for people. I'm a king without a queen, so I sit alone my throne. Ah, you finding your queen, John? Pa, 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 pa. Khalid 60, hi Khalid. My eyes getting hurt now. Bye bye. I will, when I go to Philippines, Filipino are so beautiful and faithful and sweet. Yes, yes we are. And you know what they say here is either shit or get off the phone. Bye bye. Bye guys. Bye John. Bye team. Bye everyone here watching, joining my live. Thank you so much. My sisters, my cousins. May kapamilya kapuso. Masakit na mapakoga. Thank you. Thank you for joining always. Thank you. Bye. Nice meeting you. Thank you, Sir John. Bye-bye. God bless you. God bless us.